Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Get understanding, don't memorize, because understanding is power and understanding is fun. This is the continuation of a series of lessons on regular polygons. We are still looking at solve final exam questions, solve final exam questions, solve WASSCE exam questions, or solve WASSCE final exam questions. This is WASSCE 2023. WASSCE 2023, question number 4. This is a compulsory question, section B. This is paper 2, compulsory question. Says that question number 4 is not drawn to scale. Says in the diagram A, B, C, D, E, the diagram A, B, C, D, E is a regular pentagon. It's a regular pentagon, and what? B, F, G, H, I, C is a regular hexagon. Find A, the angle what? AED, angle AED, this angle. I'm supposed to find this angle AED, okay? And then B, angle BFG, angle BFG, this angle. I'm supposed to find this angle, and what? C, angle DCI, this angle. You're supposed to find this angle. So how do we find these angles? How do we go about it, guys? That is when you but appreciate the need for understanding, or the importance of understanding, because understanding, without understanding, how can you solve this way? No, nothing is given. You don't have any angle. No angle is given. No figure. No value is given in this question. So how do you solve? That is why you have to get understanding, as the name of this channel implies. Well, yes. So we know that in general, if you have a regular polygon with n sides, in other words, for n-sided regular polygon, regular polygon, the sum of the interior angles is given by what? This is a theory question. So you write all this in I'm writing. This is a theory question. So in fact, you have to write all these things. Very important. Yes, because I don't have much space. So some of it I will be seeing some most of the things. See. Okay, so we say for the n-sided regular polygon, the sum of the interior angles, sum of what? Sum of interior angles is given by what? Is given by n minus 2 times what? Times 180. I hope you know that. N minus 2 times what? Times 180. Is given by n minus 2 times what? N minus 2 times 180. Okay? The sum of if you sum all the interior angles, that's what you get. And I know that if you remember that if I want each of the interior angles, each of the interior angles, each of them is given by what? N minus 2, the sum divided by the number of sides. 180 divided by what? Divided by n. Yes, you know this thing. I hope you understand. And then we said that the sum of the exterior angles will always give us what? 360 degrees. So if you want to find each of the exterior angle, it's given by what? 360 divided by the number of sides. Yes, so this question is saying that first of all, what you have to do is say a regular pentagon. What is a regular pentagon? Pentagon is a regular polygon with what? With 5 sides. And this is also a regular hexagon. And hexagon is a regular polygon with what? With 6 sides. So this one is pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the pentagon, and this is what? Hexagon. They are forming. They have a common side. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So this is the hexagon, and this is what? This is what the pentagon. Okay. So how do we? We say to find this angle. This angle, which is what? One of the interior angles in the pentagon. Okay. And then we are also supposed to find this angle, which is also one of the interior angles in the hexagon. So for the pentagon, so it means that you want to A angle AED. This is what. So it means that the sum of the interior angles for the pentagon. So for a pentagon, n is equal to what? 5. And it implies that the sum of the angles sum of the interior angles will give you is equal to what? 5 minus what? Minus 2 times what? Times 180, which is equal to what? 3 times 180 degrees, which is equal to 540 what? 540 degrees. Okay. So if I want each of them, each of the interior angles of the regular pentagon, each angle, each angle is given by the sum, which is 540 degrees over what? The number of sides, which is 5. This one will give us what? 108. Okay, 108 degrees. Okay, fine. In the same way, for the hexagon, for the regular hexagon, to me that implies that what? N is equal to what? N is equal to 6. So it means that the sum of the interior angle sum is given by 6 n minus 2, which is 6 minus 2 times what? Times 180. Okay, which is equal to 4 times what? 180. Sorry, which is equal 4 times what? 4 times 180. Okay, which is equal to what? 720 what? 720 degrees. Okay, 720 degrees. So if I want each of them, so each angle, each interior angle of the hexagon is equal to what? 720 divided by 6, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 120 degrees. Okay, 120. So each of the interior angles. So this one is what? 180 degrees. This one is 180 degrees. Each of the one 108 degrees. This is the pentagon. 5-sided regular polygon. So this angle, each of the interior angles is what? Is 108 degrees. And this is what? This is the what do you call the hexagon, and each of the interior angles is given by what? 120 degrees. Mind you that we said that the sum, which is given by n minus 2. So what does the n minus 2 imply, stand for? We said that the n minus 2 is the number of triangles that can be formed from what? From the polygon. So here, if you want how many triangles can be formed from this pentagon, we can form only 3 triangles. 3 triangles from what? Can form 3 triangles from this pentagon, and then from this hexagon we can, how many triangles can also form from this hexagon? Okay, how many triangles? So we can form what? 4 triangles. 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Note that the lines do not have to cross. So we have 4. That's why we are getting n minus 2. This we are getting 4. So this 4 is given by what? The number of triangles that can be formed, which is the same as the number of sides times what? Number of sides minus 2. And this 3 triangles is also given by what? This 5 minus 2, which is equals what? Equals to 3, which is the number of triangles that can be formed from the what? From the polygon. Okay. Yes. So now we are almost done. We are done. We are almost done. We are done, guys. This is very simple. As well, understanding is what? Understanding is fun. Understanding. Get understanding. Don't memorize. Okay. So we know that since each of the interior angles of the pentagon is equal to what? Is 108 degrees. Mean the angle what? AE angle AED. This angle is equal to what? This is equal to 108 what? 108 degrees. And then you know that angle BFG and BFG, which is one of the interior angles of the hexagon, and each of the interior angles is given by what? Is what? 120 degrees. So it means that this angle is also what? 120 what? 120 degrees. Guys, you see, this is very interesting, very simple. But if you don't have understanding, you will not even realize that this question is very simple. Okay, so we have to, how do we find this? It's very simple. We know that the whole of this angle we give us, this is one of the interior angles of the pentagon. So this one is 108 what? 108 degrees, and this is one of the interior angles of the hexagon, which is what? 120. And we know that the whole of this angle has to give us what? 360 degrees. Okay, so yes, angle, the sum of the angles at what point give us 360 degrees. So which means that this angle is equal to what? 360 minus what? 360 minus 108 108 minus what? 120. How? I hope you understand, because we know if you this angle what? Angle DCI. Okay, angle DCI plus 108 plus 120, it should give us 360 degrees. Okay, that's how we are solving for DCI here. So we see it will be 360, then we go and subtract. Okay, yeah. So what do we get? This is equal to what? We have 360. Okay, 360 minus what? 108 minus 120, which is 132. So here, this is equal to 132 hot degrees, guys. So guys, how do you find this? This is very interesting. That's why you see, get understanding, don't memorize. But that's the name of the channel. And this channel is about for every topic that we cover on this channel. We have a playlist on the topic itself, and we also have playlist on solve final exam questions, solve WASSCE exams, final WASSCE exam questions. Yes, this is 2023, guys. If you really getting understanding, as the name of the channel implies, then don't forget to hit the bell notification, to like it and to share and subscribe, so that if additional videos like this, understandable, interesting videos like this are uploaded, guys, you will be notified automatically. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, guys, because we are going to solve 101 so many more questions. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video, guys.